Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to show you how to create a corporate trip within our platform. Let's start by understanding what a corporate trip is. A corporate trip involves travel undertaken for business purposes, typically by employees and representatives of a company. These trips are planned for various business-related reasons, such as attending meetings, conferences, training sessions, client visits, or other work-related events. They are essential for employees to fulfill their professional obligations. For companies using our taxi service or corporate facilities, expense management becomes straightforward. The costs incurred for transportation can be easily tracked and included in the overall travel expenses for reimbursement or accounting purposes. In summary, corporate rates in our taxi service offer a strategic and efficient way for companies to manage their transportation needs, ensuring that employees can focus on their professional commitments without worrying about logistics. That's the purpose of creating a corporate trip. Now, let's walk through how to create a corporate trip on our platform. To begin with, you'll need to add a corporate account. Navigate to the corporate panel, where you'll start by logging in. Once you're logged in, proceed to locate the customer section. There, you'll have the option to add a new customer. You can search for customers by email or phone number. In this case, we've chosen to use the phone number. Enter the phone number and click on Add. Upon adding, you'll be able to view the user details. Next, click on Send Request, and the user will receive a corporate request. If you wish to proceed with adding the user to a corporate account, click Yes. If not, select No. We're selecting Yes to tie up with your corporate. Once you've added them to a corporate account, you'll be able to view the details here. You can add the necessary information and then address your corporate needs. It's essential to add the specified amount. We have the option to add an amount, which can be provided for your travel expenses on your trip. Moving on, it's time to create a trip. We'll proceed with creating a trip, and then click on Continue. Here, you'll encounter the question, would you like to pay by corporate? Indicating that the trip payment will be covered by the corporate account. When you're creating a trip for corporate purposes, make sure to click on the Ride Now button. Following this, you'll have the choice between a fixed fare or a normal fare. If you opt for the fixed fare, the price will be calculated based on the estimated cost. It's also important to note that your last payment must be settled, so we'll need to add funds to our wallet. To do this, we'll proceed to add the amount and then click on the Submit button. Then, you can proceed with the Ride Now button to select the fixed rate. Upon completion, you'll notice that the driver receives a new trip notification for Trip Request. Driver is Accept Request. In the user app, as well as the driver interface, the driver indicates the start, and the user is notified that the driver is on the way. Upon the driver's arrival, which you can see here, they are ready to start the trip. The driver will then initiate the Start Trip function, and the trip begins. We then wait for the trip to approach its end. Here is where our trip is nearing completion. The driver needs to add a toll amount if there is a payment to be made. At this point, our corporate trip is successfully completed. At the end of your journey, you can review the invoice from the trip and click on the right button to complete your trip and give your rating. This process outlines how we create a corporate trip within our platform. We hope this video helped you understand how the flow works on our platform. When creating your corporate trip, remember that you must be added to a corporate account first. Once that's done, you can easily create a corporate trip. Thank you for watching this video. We truly appreciate your time.